Eating healthy is all about balance. Every now and then, it's totally okay to have pie for dinner or a nice slice of cake at tea time, but it's also necessary to know when we're pushing things too far. Indulgent food should be wanted and savored, but only sometimes. It's essential to determine that most of our diet should be made up of balanced, nutritional simple foods. Don't you know how to start? Here are 10 important tips for having a healthy diet. Stay tuned with us. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get more interesting videos. Okay, let's see the number 10 on our list. Number 10. Start with breakfast every day. Why? To boost metabolism and energy levels and help avoid snacks between meals. Choose something grainy and add protein, for example, porridge or Weetbix with some fruit and light milk. Pick whole grain toast with eggs or baked beans or peanut butter and banana. Breakfast is the day's most critical meal. Having a healthy breakfast is totally crucial to help kickstart metabolism, enhance cognitive function, and help you make better food alternatives throughout the day. The ideal meal contains protein, healthy fat, and some complex carbs. Number 9. Eat regular meals, at least 3 daily. Why? To help control hunger and snacking. Have some starchy carbohydrates like bread/rice/potato, and protein, meat/beans/fish/egg/dairy, with veg and fruit. Take your lunch from home to work. Because it's cheaper, you're not tempted by less healthy choices. Number 8. Have healthier snacks, and only if you need them. Why? You don't need snacks if you do not feel hungry between meals. If you do feel peckish, go for one of the following snacks. A piece of fruit or a small handful of nuts like almonds or peanuts, 30 grams. A cup of low-fat milk or yogurt. A cup of soup. Vegetable sticks or grainy crackers with hummus or cottage cheese are also good choices. Number 7. Be mindful, take your time and notice what you eat. Why? Eating quickly while you're on the run and distracted can mean you consume more food than you require. It takes about 30 minutes for your gut to tell your brain that it's full. Many of us eat food for reasons other than hunger. Recognizing this is the first step in making a difference. Slow down and stay for meals to digest. Sit at the table with friends. Minimize distractions like phones and TV. Try to enjoy your food. Some individuals find it helpful to write down what and how much they consume foods and how they feel before and after it. Not all calories are made equal. People ingest those 100-calorie packs of cookies or other snacks and concentrate on the fact that it's only 100 calories. Still, they don't pay attention to what else they're getting, especially regarding sugar and fat. Number 6. Portion sizes matter. Why? Consuming too many healthy foods can also cause weight gain. How much you gain calories is key to keeping a healthy body weight. A good rule of thumb is eating foods covering your palm in one serving. For a healthy evening meal, your plate should be divided into 4. 1/4 should be for meat or a meat alternative, 1 for grains or starchy veggies, and a half for non-starchy veggies. Number 5. Water is always best. Why? It's free from the tap, healthy, good for the environment, and also good for you. You require 6 to 8 cups of fluid daily. Some of these can be gained from food, milk, coffee, tea, and water. Other beverages often add empty calories, and they don't fill you up as well as food. Cordials, sports drinks, fruit juice, and fizzy drinks are all packed with sugar. A 300 milliliters glass or bottle of fizzy drink has about 8 teaspoons of sugar in it. Alcohol adds up, too. A 350 milliliters can, or beer bottle has around 160 calories, and a 150 milliliters glass of wine has 140 calories. Number 4. Fill up on vegetables and fruit. Why? For extra fiber, minerals, vitamins, and antioxidants. They are also low in calories, are loaded with goodness, and help prevent heart conditions, stroke, high blood pressure, and even some cancers. Eat frozen, fresh, or tinned fruit and veggies. Have fresh fruit rather than dried fruit. If you consume tinned fruit, pick fruit in clear juice rather than syrup. If you are not okay ingesting fruit and vegetables, make a pact to adjust one thing, for example, to reach for fruit or raw veggies rather than biscuits or sweets. Stock the house with the kinds of fruit and veggies you know you'll eat so you don't end up with a bowl of rotting apples when you want tinned peaches. Try purchasing different sorts of fruit and veggies when they're on special and see if you want them. Make vegetable soup for a hearty winter meal. A great way to boost your veggie intake. If you want to have raw veggies to be cooked, consume them as a snack or lightly stir-fry them for dinner. Number 3. Have whole grains when you can. Why? They are high in fiber, making you feel fuller for longer. And they're helpful for your gut health. Utilize wholemeal flour instead of white flour. Pick grainy bread, cereal, and crackers, for example, wheat biscuits, porridge, and wholemeal bread. Add wholegrain cereal, such as barley and brown rice, to bulk out soups and casseroles. Learn about the glycemic index, GI. Wholegrain foods have a lower GI than the more refined white kinds, so they are better for you. Number 2. Cut back on the fat. Why? Consuming less fat helps with weight loss. The kind of fat you do eat is also essential. When you cook with fat, utilize 1 teaspoon per person of liquid oils, for example, canola, soy, peanut, rice bran, and olive. Don't use animal fats and coconut products. Bake, grill, or steam instead of frying foods. Pick lean meats and switch them with fish when you can. Change to low-fat milk, cheese, yogurt, and ice cream. Number 1. Replace salt with other flavors. Why? To enhance blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Pick low salt/sodium nutrition where they are offered. Utilize the taste test, add a little salt to your meal and taste it before adding more. Try low salt snacks you enjoy, like fruit, unsalted nuts, biscuits, plain unsalted popcorn, yogurt, and crackers low in sodium. Salt is often added to processed foods like sausages, salamis, packet soups, and flavorings. Utilize herbs and spices to flavor food, such as fresh herbs, garlic, ginger, mustard, dried herbs, ground spices, lemon, etc. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like it. Thanks for tuning in.